Tired of those annoying blackout messages blocking you from watching your favorite NBA team? Today, we're cracking the code to bypass those restrictions and unlocking every thrilling moment of NBA action first. Let's understand why blackouts exist. They are in place to protect local broadcasting rights, preventing League Pass from showing games that are being aired on local channels. One of the most effective ways to bypass blackouts is using a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN masks your actual location by routing your internet connection through a server in another region, making it appear as though you are browsing from that location. First, choose a reliable VPN provider. There are many options available, so do your research and select one with fast speeds and servers in regions where the game isn't blacked out. Next, download and install the VPN app on your device, whether it's your computer, phone, or streaming device. Open the VPN app and connect to a server in a different location, ideally one where the game you want to watch isn't subject to blackout restrictions. Popular choices are often cities or states far from the teams playing. Now, open your NBA League Pass app or website and start streaming the game. With your VPN active, you should be able to watch without any blackout interruptions. But before you get started, it's a good idea to clear your browser's cache and cookies to ensure your location isn't being tracked. Keep in mind, bypassing blackout restrictions might violate NBA League Pass's terms of service, so proceed with caution. Blackout policies and regulations are subject to change, so it's essential to stay updated by understanding these restrictions and employing tools like VPNs. You can significantly enhance your NBA League Pass experience now. Go enjoy uninterrupted basketball.